For the common man, it is often mind-blowing that currency does not have any value. However, this is not entirely true. Money may no longer be connected to gold or silver, but arguably, it is worth even more if it is not backed by a currency. So, in this video, I shall explain what fiat currency is and why currency is worth more even when it is not backed by gold. Fiat currency is a currency whose value is not defined by a commodity like gold, silver, or even sheep. Basically anything that is valuable to society. During our transition to a currency-based economy, currency being attached to something physical of value was extremely important. What is a barter-based economy? It is an economy in which there is no money. Instead, one good is traded for another. For example, if I was alive during the agricultural revolution and my neighbor had an epic pair of Gucci pants that I wanted, I would give him, let's say, 10 wheat for his pair of Gucci pants. A slow transition is necessary for stability and faith in the monetary system. This is why traders and bankers simply couldn't transition to a currency backed by faith and had to tie it to gold. Also, as time passed, our governments got stronger and more reliable. For example, in the medieval periods, kings would simply never pay their debt after a war. This would decrease the confidence in the government's reliability. Adopting fiat currency allows the government to take more control of its currency. This allows the government to do more monetary loopholes and more complex fiscal policies. The value of the fiat currency is determined by the supply and demand of a currency. The more the supply, less the worth. This is also called inflation. The reliability of a country's government can also affect the currency's value. Also, developing countries with huge populations and huge market bases usually have currencies that are worth less. If a government doesn't know what it is doing, it can result in a situation I like to call Mugabenomics. This is a situation where the government thinks it can print infinite money and basically acts like a 3-year-old. The most famous examples of this occurring are inflation in the Weimar Republic, which was basically 1920s Germany, and recently Zimbabwe. So now you know what fiat currency is. Check out the playlist on the right to watch other 2-minute economics videos and click the button in the middle to subscribe.